Jump on my fence.
We're going to postpone until the 16th because the state are waiting for some authorization from the head with regard to the Parker Act. So before they can leave, so we're only going to do that on the 16th, and then we've got to be invested who's going to, because this judge we can't do it before because he's now going to do that.
Mm.